So now the next step is to screw on the ViteWall panel. So to do that, you need 3 things that we provide and 1 thing that you provide. First thing is a low profile white screw, which is in the box here. Second is a Torx T10 bit that we provide as well in the box of screws. Third thing is a spacer, which is a 12-inch ruler. And the fourth thing that you need that you provide is an impact driver or a cordless drill. So you take your bit and put it in the drill, step number 1. Now if you look here, this is the recommended spacing. And these numbers here, you'll notice some are in white and some are in black, because when we were designing this little picture to give you, when we put the white numbers here, because of the white building, they kind of wash out. So black is just contrast. So, you know, you either start kind of like a lot of languages, they read from right to left. So these just indicate the screws. Make them first. So once we've notched out the material for the light switch and the electrical outlet, the easy step is to screw the ViteWall panel on. I know we're going to use 38 screws, so I've loaded my pouch, since I'm right-handed, with the low profile screws, which we provide. And I have taped here my stud paper with the studs. I want to show you a little tip here. So the studs are, the center of the stud is 16 inches. So 16 to 16 to 16. And so when I sit on the floor here, so here I have my stud paper up there, but let's say I can't really tell, oh, where does that line go? So since my studs are from 16 from center to center, here's a little tip here. Grab your tape measure, and I'm at the center start. I'm just gonna make a little dot here. Okay, and then from right there, 16 over a smidge, there we go. And there we go. So you can either transfer the stud paper, or just with a tape measure sitting on the floor, once you know your studs are 16-inch on center. So now the key is, and we're going to show you a close-up, this is just to keep the panel in place. So once you hear that sound, I call it the ratchet sound. You hear that when the screw bites into the wood. Now here's the key step, very important with ViteWall, is we go through and we stop. The screw is just under the face of the ViteWall panel. So I want to show you close-ups of proper screw installation technique and improper screw installation technique. So you've heard me teach when I was sitting on the floor that you want to screw until you hear the ratchet sound, so that the top of the screw is just hugging the underside of the ViteWall panel. So this is the yes. This is what you want. So it's biting. That's where you hear the ratchet. So you stop. See how the head is very close to the plastic? Here's what you don't want. See how the screw is all the way down, touching the bottom layer of plastic? Mm-hmm. You don't want that.